Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create your own business logo in under 3 minutes. So this logo will not be so professional, but it will do the job for you until you find a good logo. Now let's get ahead and open Photoshop and click on File, New, and let's check this one. After that, let's go to Google, and from here let's go for something like brand name generator. In here we click and write business. For me, I need to get some business names, that's why I'm using this website. But for you, if you have your own business name, you can still use it for yourself. For example, let's use this Plexli or something like that. I can't read it, but you got the idea. Plexli. Let's go here and say Plexli. Of course, there's multiple ways to make your logo. It can be something like that, just a text, which is pretty good, pretty simple. You can add something below it, like let's say it's a brand of clothes, so let's say something like that, hoodies, pants, and more, something like so. And we make this font Arial. Okay, we save it and we make it small, and we can add it just down below. After that, we have to change colors, and basically the most of brands have some kind of simple logos, because simple logos you can put them anywhere and anywhere and any place you want. Let's make it a little bit more smaller. Actually, let's make it much more smaller, and like that we have done our first logo. What can we do to make something else to this logo? For example, this is a brand of clothes, we need to add some clothes stuff. How can we do so? Let's go for Google again and we make some clothes logo png, and we can grab something from here, like we can bring this one. Let's check if this one is available. We can see this one as well, and let's try these both things. Let's add this one in here. If that works, we don't need the other one. Okay, we can add it in white, and as you can see here, we've made our logo. It looks pretty good, and I might actually use it later if I want to create my brand. So guys, please, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.